good morning, good afternoon, or whatever time it is in your corner of the world. Welcome to another episode where we dive deep into the chaotic, beautiful, and slightly exhausting experience of being an adult. Today, I'm taking you on a full day in my life. This is not one of those, I wake up at 5 a.m., drink green juice, and meditate for 2 hours kind of routines. No, no, no. This is real life with alarms that get snoozed, coffee that saves lives, and traffic that tests my patience. So grab a snack, get comfortable, and let's dive in. My alarm goes off at 6 a.m. sharp. But do I wake up instantly, refreshed, and ready to seize the day? Absolutely not. I do what any normal person does. I hit snooze. Once, twice. Okay, maybe 3 times. By 6:30 a.m., I finally roll out of bed, looking like a character from The Walking Dead. First mission of the day, locate coffee. My brain doesn't even start processing life until caffeine enters my system. I make my way to the kitchen, eyes half closed, mumbling nonsense to my cat, who, by the way, seems to have more energy than me at this hour. Once the coffee is brewing, I attempt my morning skincare routine, which is just me aggressively splashing cold water on my face and whispering, "You got this." Then I put on some background music, something uplifting, because mornings are already hard enough. Now, on to breakfast. Some days I go full-on healthy queen mode with avocado toast and eggs. Other days, I just grab whatever's closest, maybe a banana, maybe a sad leftover slice of pizza. No judgment. The goal is to survive. All right, now that I'm semi-awake, it's time to face the jungle that is morning traffic. I grab my bag, throw on some I have my life together clothes, and step out the door. As soon as I get in the car, I have a crucial decision to make. Do I listen to a motivational podcast and pretend I'm leveling up in life? Or do I blast 2000s throwback hits and have a one-person concert? Spoiler, it's usually the second one. Now, let's talk about traffic. It's like the universe decided, let's make mornings even harder. You have the slow drivers, the ones who act like they're sightseeing. Then there's the aggressive driver weaving in and out of lanes like they're in Fast and Furious. And then there's me, just trying to survive, sipping my coffee, questioning my life choices. After what feels like a lifetime, I finally get to work. Do I feel accomplished? Number. But I do feel relieved that I didn't have a full meltdown in traffic today. Small wins. All right, now we enter corporate survival mode. I walk into the office, mentally preparing myself for the emails that have surely piled up overnight. First priority? More coffee. Then comes the part of the day where I have to engage in small talk. Hey, how was your weekend? Oh, too short. Haha. Translation: I binge-watched Netflix and avoided responsibilities. Meetings, emails, deadlines. It's a whirlwind. Some days I feel like a productivity machine, checking things off my to-do list like a boss. Other days, I stare at my screen, wondering why adulthood wasn't covered in school. Lunchtime rolls around, and here's where the real dilemma begins. Do I eat my meal-prepped healthy lunch like a responsible adult? Or do I give in to temptation and order something absolutely delicious and unhealthy? Let's be honest, the fries win most of the time. After surviving the workday, I head home, ready to relax. But plot twist, there's no such thing as relaxing when you're an adult. I step inside, and my to-do list slaps me in the face. Laundry, piling up, dishes, a disaster. My cat? Judging me for my life choices. I throw on comfy clothes and start tackling chores. But let's be real, cleaning is just playing music and having a solo karaoke session while occasionally wiping things down. Productivity? Questionable. Entertainment value? 10 out of 10. And just when I think I'm done, I remember gym time. Do I want to go? Number. But do I go anyway? Yes, because I ate those fries earlier and balance is key. I arrive at the gym, trying to look like I know what I'm doing. The treadmill is my safe space. I walk, I run, I pretend I'm in an action movie montage. Then comes strength training. Do I lift heavy weights? Absolutely not. I grab the lightest dumbbells and act like I'm training for the Olympics. Gotta start somewhere, right? After an hour of sweating, questioning my life, and debating if I should just go home and eat ice cream instead, I survive. Another small victory. Finally, dinner time. Something easy but satisfying. Maybe pasta, maybe tacos. Something that makes me feel like a chef without requiring actual effort. After dinner, it's time to relax. And by relax, I mean spend 30 minutes scrolling through Netflix, only to rewatch a show I've already seen 10 times. Before bed, I do my skincare routine, journal a little, or at least think about journaling, and mentally prepare to do it all over again tomorrow. And that, my friends, is a full day in my life. Chaotic? Yes. Exhausting? Absolutely. But somehow, we keep going. If you related to this, let me know. What's the most chaotic part of your day? Drop a comment, and let's talk about this adulting struggle together. Thanks for listening, and remember, you got this. See you in the next episode.